AI Scatter Jackpot is a system that extracts gameplay video from slot machines and uses AI every 0.06 seconds to identify symbols, bet amounts, and win amounts. Slot operators can fully customize jackpot configurations, including setting start and end times, defining the required symbol count range, configuring the accumulation rate, setting minimum bet requirements, assigning eligible machines, selecting participating game themes, choosing trigger symbols, specifying eligible player membership tiers. It works even on SAS. All you have to do is set the symbols and trigger range, and the system takes care of the rest, randomly deciding when the jackpot hits. Now, let's take a closer look at how it works. With every bet, the AI detects the amount and adds it directly to the jackpot pool. The AI detects each symbol and counts how many times it appears. It can even recognize symbols across different machines and game themes. Once the symbol count reaches the winning range, the jackpot will be triggered. The jackpot signage now displays the winning machine number and the jackpot amount. This time, the trigger count is 36 symbols. After the jackpot is triggered, the accumulated symbol count and jackpot amount are reset, and the next cycle begins. You can set up multiple jackpots, each with different trigger symbols. Each jackpot pool accumulates separately based on the ongoing gameplay. The jackpot is triggered again, this time with the ace symbol. The trigger RNG number is 37. There's still one more symbol waiting to trigger. The next symbol is king, with a trigger range between 20 and 80. The jackpot triggered after accumulating 40 king symbols. How many king symbols need to be accumulated to trigger the jackpot? The king jackpot just triggered at 40 accumulated symbols. Powered by AI, scatter jackpots are 100% random, fair, and thrilling. Mumtarong brings you a whole new experience through AI innovation.